Hello family, yeah, I do with this a boy cookie with Sindako. If mate again, you know, I say shame. Yeah, so behind me some small ingredients to be maybe just to stir it. You know, your fish, no, some vegetable, coming in, let's do it. Yeah. Yeah, so I have my ingredients over here and I'll start with the fish. In fact, this salmon fish is full of protein and omega-3. It contains protein and omega-3. Very nice fish. I have my green beans over here as well. I have my bell pepper, the yellow and the red. I have some parsley. So the parsley, I'll chop off the stem, then I'm sauce, and then this, I'll use on the fish. I have this small tomatoes here as well. I have one onion, small ginger. I'll do the thing with the coconut oil, rich coconut oil, and I have some soy over here for my fish, so make sure on be do. Then I have salt over here as well. And to do this, right now, I'll just start. Right now, I'll just start by sprinkling some salt on the fish, but then china the kabugudo. So right now, I'll use me soya way give that aroma now make parsley leaves the parsley one make the 2 leaves now my three good get it. You can do this with a knife, a little chopping board, then I chop or friend the parsley now come. So right now I'll set this thing aside, then I'll start to chop my ingredients here. I have my vegetable being washed already, there. I'll just chop them. And so I'll just be cutting off the head of this one, Then we can make it be 3B. Okay. Our chopped cominini and incubus. So now the main issue is about to start, boy. Yeah, let's do it, baby. I'll be adding the coconut oil. Very small amount of coconut oil, or it can be any oil of your choice. And at this point, my fish will be going inside. So on a medium fire now, I will try and turn my fish sideways. Okay, so turn it like this, heat the super cooked fish in the side in the bean, as I say. You can even add soil on it while it's on fire now. the period of 5 to 7 minutes, you know, by turning each other side, you know, fish, you know, I okay, wow, a brown come on. So I just take them off. So I'll be using the same frying pan for the sauce, and I add some small amount of coconut oil to it again. My ginger will go inside. So stir like a minute, then I'll add the onions to it. So after 2 minutes of the onion is together, I'll add in the tomatoes, which I chopped, and it's also going inside like this. So after a minute, I'll add my green beans to it and the parsley stems, So at this point, I'll cover it. The vapor, it cook green beans, because then the green beans not eating. So I need the vapor to cook it. Because oil, watering is not if you vapor in Nabano, on about near green beans, So I need to cover it up. And also remember to cook this in a medium heat. And once in a way, that's a non-show. First 5 minutes. First 5 minutes now. Let's turn it on. Okay, so at this point, my admin or friend, bell pepper no, a green side. Okay. Okay, so this is not the soya way no, soya sauce no, be by petrol. Yeah. Number the kitty because soya sauce and chew the dough. Then chicken to be so eguhade. Then that's it. So after this, I'll just leave it for it to cook for 5 minutes. Then it will be over. It will be game over. So I know now they actual some style be yeah. I don't know more sad taste I just say. Okay, after 5 to 7 minutes, then I have the sauce now. Something nice. Yeah. Parsley so add to Hade. How do you say this to Nebuchadnezzar? Hey! Chef catching pa. Hello family, at the end is Benaberry. April is Benya or a fish in chichos. Yeah, they have fish in chichos now, baby. Your food made simple, food made easy. Anyway, you know, yeah, my but the mix say in the autumn, either you want to and the mona mix. If you have rice, you can mix it with rice, then you're ready to go. Same as a friend, the killer itself for day, so see how nutritious, not delicious acts, man. Me a bad boy, Bushia. Wow. Yeah, you can try the sauce, Bushia. Mama sana. Mama 100% the dough. That's what I say. Because the sauce alone, oh my God. Oh my God. Man. This is crazy. This is crazy. In them chinos and penichino, you can take the skin off. That's it. You can take the skin off then. Oh my god. Oh my god. Man, this is crazy. This is crazy, Busham. See myself, but the only difference the idea, you know, fish in the inside or pan though, and you know. And so when you heat, some kind of heat to be not a way, but it's the same thing now. What more can you ask for? Well, yeah, so this Cooking with Sindako. If today is your first time watching, please subscribe to YouTube channel, okay? And turn on the notification bell so that I can have notification anytime new video drop. Subscribe, share, tell a brother and tell a friend. I'm out. Yeah.